wish I could chill with you right now, but I gotta make this video. See you soon. Yo, what's really good? It's your boy Ace to the Boogie coming to you with another review and unboxing. So you already see the box, man. So you know what time it is, man. We got a Hat Club exclusive, man. I'm not gonna waste y'all time, man. So let's just go ahead and get right into it, man. Let's get right into this. We're gonna go ahead and slice him open. Peel it back. You feel me? Let's do this, man. Boom. Boom. Now, if you guys are anything like me, man, it is so hard to get a hat from Hat Club, especially an exclusive, man. And ooh, oh yes, oh yes. Oh yes, oh yes. You see what time it is, man. We got the Mets right here, man. We got the all black with the blue and orange logo, man. 7 1/8, man. This is pink bottom swag, man. Pink bottom swag, pause. You feel me? We got the white guts, man. White sweatband, you feel me? 7 1/8. Cooperstown collection, man. You feel me? A real throwback. Look at that. You see the Batterman logo, right? You see the blue and orange, right? You see the side patch, man. Don't get it twisted, man. We side patching over here. World Series. You see it. Hopefully we can get a good focus on that, man. 2001. No, this is 2000. Pardon me. 2000 World Series patch, man. This is really clean, man. I gotta throw him on. 42 bucks, man. Hat Club. Now, the story behind this hat is this was actually a raffle win that somebody else won the raffle, but they didn't pay. Pink bottom he went on live and he just started going through random people that were in the live with him. He just said, you know, throw me your hat size. If I got your size, then you know I'll bring you on the live and ask you which hat you want. So, you know, I'm putting in 7 1/8, 7 1/8. I put it in like 5-10 times, you feel me? He clicked me into the live. He was like, what's going on? You feel me? He said he had the New York Mets in the 7 1/8. I said, let me get that. He sent the invoice, and about 3 days later, the hat is here, you feel me? We got the new era flag. It's all black, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to see that, but it's right there, man. Finna throw it on real quick, you feel me? See, I really like the way these 1/8s are fitting, man, because I have some 1/4s, I have some 1/8s, man, and these 1/8s, they sit right on top of that head like the crown that they are, you feel me? I really appreciate the love for the, you know, the oop for the hat, man, because it's been tough, man. If you anything like me, you be taking a lot of L's on Hat Club, man. It's like every day at 11 o'clock Pacific or 2 o'clock Eastern. Just get ready for that L, man, because the L is coming. They just did the watermelons today, actually, and a lot of L's were passed out, you feel me? But yeah, this is just a quick look, man. Pink bottom, white guts, man. You can't go wrong. Got the Mike Piazza. I mean, you see the coordination, B. This is a Mitchell and Ness batting practice, just, you know, as a heads up, man. But yeah, it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, man. I appreciate you checking out this video, man. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, man. Hit me in the comments. Let me know what you picked up recently from Hat Club, man. Give me the secrets, man. I need the keys, man. I need the keys. We need a major key alert. Something, man. Talk to me. I talk back. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.